Alright you guys, so today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to drive a manual car, since apparently a lot of you don't know how to. And instead of teaching everybody one by one, I figured why not make a video and teach everybody all at once, right? So first things first, we're in the GTR. You want to make sure your car is in neutral. Make sure it's in neutral, right there in the middle. It'll move side to side. You want to put your left foot on the clutch. Clutch is the one all the way to your left. Put it in. That's what she said. Key. Oops, other way. And you just start it. So that's how you start a manual car, which is step 1. So you press the clutch in, move your stick to the left and up, and let go of the clutch really slow. Really slow. See, I'm not gonna hit the gas, just clutch. See, and the car starts moving. And then when it moves, just let go of the clutch. See, no more clutch. And now it's just like a normal car. So if you want to get a fast start, what you want to do is put it in gear. Instead of having to let go of the clutch slowly, you know, you can hit the gas and let it go a little bit quicker. So what I'm going to do is just give it some gas, start letting go, give some gas and let go of the clutch. See how fast that is compared to like the regular one? Yeah. So you learn how to turn it on, right? You learn how to get going. And now you need to learn how to shift. So we're gonna go out to the street right now and I'll show you guys how to shift. So to shift, I usually shift around 3,000 RPM. Because a lot of people ask, like, oh, how do you know when to shift, right? I usually shift at 3,000 when I'm driving normally. And when we're racing, we shift all the way over here. Alright, so we're going 3,000 and clutch in, second gear. Going 3,000, clutch in, third gear. Easy, right? Throttle. See? Simple, right?
Simple but scary.
Right hand drive problems. Can't see shit when you're turning left. Come to a stop, you want to put it in neutral, clutch in, neutral, and you hit the brake at the same time. Alright, so now that I taught you guys how to drive a manual car, let's see if my words of wisdom worked. So Henry's gonna try to move it. Henry, come on. Come on.
Nah, you can go ahead and park it.
No, just move it. Just move it up a little bit.
Move it up?
Just move it up. That's all we ask for. Just move it up. First gear all the way to the left.
Up, right?
Left up, yeah. Left up.
How do I know if it's...
You'll feel it going. Or what? You don't feel it going? If you don't, man, that's a problem. You gotta switch out the girls you're messing with, bro.
I mean, does it stay? How do I know if it's switched?
Yeah. Look, it'll stay in there. You got the clutch all the way in?
Yeah.
Alright, all the way.
Now I do.
Yeah, there you go. That's why it wasn't going in.
And then...
That's first.
And I just move forward, right?
Just let go of the clutch really. Yeah, I put it down for you. There you go. There you go. You're learning. Now let go. Super slow, bro. Like literally super slow. Yeah. That's it. And he stalled. Unbelievable.
You didn't tell me how to stop.
Bruh, I told you earlier how to stop.
I wasn't paying attention, bro.
Unbelievable.
How do you stop once it's like that? You go back to the clutch, right?
Clutch and
then you go...
and neutral. Clutch. So you press the clutch to go into neutral, and you hit the brake at the same time.
Neutral though?
The middle. When it wiggles side to side, look, move it down.
Right in the middle?
Move it down. Yeah, wiggle it left, then turn. See how you see? It'll do that.
That's neutral.
That's neutral. Yeah.
Okay.
It's alright though. You got it. So that's it.
Yeah, I'm sticking.
Before he breaks my GTR.
Sticking the auto, guys. Fuck that.
He's sticking to auto. Unbelievable. Alright, so if Henry learned, then you guys can learn too, and I hope you guys do learn, because my GTR took a beating after Henry's 1,000 times stalling. There's a lot more that has to go on with this, but it's like really advanced. And first of all, you need to learn how to drive a manual before you even know how to do this shit. Look at Henry's dumb ass. Chipmunk looking ass. Look at him, look at him. Oh, hell no. Alright, yeah. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.